First of all, how to identify by the body language of the men who are flirting. Okay, how to avoid such people. So men, if you are listening to me, please remember not to do this. Okay, so first of all, if there are younger men, the body language which you should be aware of and beware of is, so they'll come walking, very excited always. Yeah, Trupti. The first thing that you'll notice is their fingers will be inside the pockets. Okay, so मेरा pocket कहाँ गया? Okay, so I got an opportunity to pull it also. And then the thumb will be right like this or pointing downwards. So the reason is, it's very simple. So we are all, primitively, women were born and men were born to make babies, right? So this attraction is a natural thing. And you need to identify, so whenever there is a man who's younger, say between 20 to 26, 25, they will put their fingers into the pocket. The thumbs will be either up or down, and the over enthusiastic will start tiptoeing. Now this is basically trying to get closer to you. So the moment you see such body languages, you know you have to keep away, take your distance, go back, because the next move will be to shake hands and their hands lead to something else and so on. The little older one, maybe between 30 to 35, 40, so their body language is little different. So they'll come over and so the first thing they'll do is they'll start flicking their hair wherever possible. If they can see themselves, their reflection, they'll start taking care of their hair, provided they have hair, and adjusting their ties. Okay, that is something this guy is getting attracted. Let's be aware and then make a call. The older one, the one who's been there and done everything, 40 plus and above and whatever, so they are totally Besharam by now, and they do not have any hesitation in expressing, in looking, in gazing, or in mentally doing whatever right in front of you. So those men, they will look straight into your eyes, start adjusting their pants. Okay, so I got an opportunity again. And so they have this, they are like, okay, पेट तो निकल गया है, but we are in a powerful position. So let's make use of this position and use to attract or get attracted and use whatever power to get this woman onto him. So if you find any of the men, the moment you walk in and is trying to adjust the pants or the belt, you know what is happening. Okay, so be aware of that. So this is just for the men. Now there are women, the counterpart also do a lot of stuff, right? Yes. The first thing they do is flick hair. So when a woman is attracted to a man, they'll start flicking hair. Okay? So the reason is very simple. Our necks, it actually exudes pheromones. So the more you expose your neck, the more it is getting excited, and that smell which is coming from your body goes to the man's nostrils. So that's the trick, okay? But this is the real science now, people know about it. Then of course, we are all born to bear babies, right? So we have to, at the back of our mind, the primitive brain wants to attract men. And what it does is, makes a woman unconsciously stand in such a way that she looks very curvaceous Okay, so most of the women who are trying to attract a man will stand like this or jut their bust out. So this, I think men should know, please, whatever number of men who are here, you should know if somebody is trying these things, it means this female is trying to attract you. Okay. Then there are another thing which a woman would normally do is, she may just stand without any curves or things like that, but she'll put her head down and then look up and then flutter. That's another way, especially when you're sitting down, it works very well. Okay. Then we have women who have a very very distinctive style of eating food, finger food, where they are peeling slowly and slurping. This is all various ways to attract men. So it's for for you, if you want to attract, you can use these tricks. If you want your husbands to be aware of it, please tell them ऐसा कुछ देखा मैंने तो बताए ना क्या होगा.